some gears that, well, not really gears, some like clothes we may probably use a costume, maybe me use it, maybe not. If the mic are good, it's supposed to pick up my voice clean and pristine, and the camera battery I got dead. Grasses, as you can see, it's still dark outside. Yeah, early morning movements. About 5 o'clock now, the alarm just go off. I tell you, say, at 5 o'clock. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. 5 o'clock. I bail back until we are cut. You see me? Alright. I don't think we're very far from our destination, but we're currently getting some breakfast. The sun is pelting. Early morning Sunday. Long time I don't see them thing, yeah. Because Babylon say you have to come out of door and them something, yeah. So I can soak up this while I can. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, don't video me while I'm videoing myself. Company, possibly. Or maybe just a regular sugar cane farmer. And him have the land for do all of them things there, you know? Get all the sugar cane pan it and them something. So I look at dog right there, so. I'm afraid of dog. I know come my people in place stand up near the dog. And I get rush and bite, I can't say nothing, that's my fault. As I said, we just wait for some breakfast. And then we make the move to go take the photos. And I use it to be a part of like the promo and them thing there. All of them look at vibes there and them something, you know? I don't know if I can see what I go on. That rounds will look pretty. And the hills there and them thing. How far away they from? Where we are go?
From town.
From where we are go?
From where we go? About 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
As I was speculating, so we're not that too far.
Not that too far.
People remember Rick. I will heap of things them money do, you see me?
Yes.
Alright, sir.
Right now we are about 15
Overall, you know? Look like me get fit tonight.
Yeah, man.
Easily.
There. So we have this me there envision. It remember. We should have little the tier, we should tear it higher up. But it alright. And then this can be the one there where you just all on over your shirt. The two of them have a look. So I guess right now we just need to see. We need the shirt.
Which one will be? I have a white shirt don't really cares too. It's okay. V-neck.
I look a button up. One, yeah, me definitely want you.
That struggle I look there.
That color thing there. You know when you don't want to pay too much attention, you just do your work.
That's a work, see.
You just hold on the thing and you color up your son.
Touch up on
Yeah, that look the way I go for some. Myself, me get a one shirt to fling under this. So far.
Yeah, man. For now on, I'm scruffy. You know, it's all a part of the look. Keep the look there, based on the character. So, scruffy look him have. Life rough pan him and them thing there, but it's a brother way I push through same way, you see me? And try to keep him thing together, but at the same time him not too fussy about certain things, you know? in focus on what is important there somewhere else. The camera clean now. It's a phone me I use, people. The big camera, they in the bag. Can't bother take it out, you know. And I by mistake, I bring the phone in. Because I never did I bring it with me. Because I did not contemplate if I'm supposed to use this or just the camera. I end up step out of the house with the two of them. When I look on the sky and I say, oh, it's clear. Right now, don't have so much nice to like look on the night sky and see all the stars them on them something. But like a clear night. And you know, you have the whole heap of light pollution. Alright. Breakfast ready, so I'm gonna mash down them things there.
It's like how you don't see pigeons. Parrot like, whoa, bro.
So we reach now. I get ready. Just to shoot up the picture of them and them thing now. I don't know. This is gonna be the location for the shoot. You know? Setting up a go on the side. You see, I can come video man and I get video back. I come from country town. I cash a tree this. Just in case and I never know. Is it? Cashew and them thing there. We have a cherry tree over here, so couple de honey. I pick one. But from the tree there up there, so let's eat. We have a couple of honey grown well. I'm going to taste the one from the tree there and see if it tastes good. The bubblegum probably make it taste weird. Not bad though. Already you see the working man look start forward in. You know if you don't see sweat. But I phone you have something but smooth out your face. So I probably not see it. But Jeffrey is here. Kevin is no more. I want donkey that here. I want donkey that. Work. See it. Yeah man, and the lay thing, is it? Lights and all these things set up on them something there. We just done shoot off a one piece. Shoot off the rest.
I'm going to take out the SIM so no service come up on it. And in the meantime, we can light up the sap.
Alright.
We get a pose video, like a pose. That good in. I really want to move a pose. If I have 3 photos I'm done, that means that just give a camera.
Still at work.
No, that's so nice.
Second shot them we just don't get that. I'm not really showing nothing, so I wouldn't see it to no surprises, isn't it? I just get this. So things are going now. I work, Jeffrey at work. I don't waste no time. Everybody else cool. Jeffrey out there sweating. Sweat. I chose a last shot. If I feel like it, because I'm rich. It's time I'm it's time I'm Tanto Blacks. Nothing special really. I just thought this shot was pretty, so that's why I make it going. But alright, I'm moving on the face. Scandalous.
There's no service together.
No. No pictures. No pictures.
What is that? Oh shit, what is that? Just see the last shot. We're done here now, so start to head on in. Next time we'll be here. That's a photo shoot to do today. So the next time we're here, it's actually the shoot. This is just for like, you know, promotion and material and everything. BTS and something. So we're head out here now. Probably go get lunch then go home. Or go home. I'm gonna say what? About 5 o'clock this morning. The time I know 11. 11? I think around 11. Yeah, about 11 o'clock I know still. 11:30. So you see there's a lot of work that goes into film. Okay? Alright, cool. Packing up a go around yourself. Dead again. If you don't see me, you know a little more. You see,